Here is a quick review on drafting the basic pattern. First, we draw the horizontal lines. Then, we apply our body measurements on the horizontal lines by making dots on the lines. We literally join the dots together with either a straight or a curved line. And our basic pattern is ready. You will need to have your basic pattern before you can learn how to style the pattern. I have a course here on Udemy that teaches how to draft the basic pattern. If you have your basic pattern ready, let's go ahead to styling the pattern.